it Jackie Chan.
What's going on, guys? Brighter Sing Size here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're slamming the EcoBoost Mustang. What do you guys think? What do you guys think I did? Do you think I went with coilovers? Do you think I went with some lowering springs, maybe airbags? Stay tuned and find out. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you want to see more, hit the notification so you can get notified when I post. If you really enjoyed, hit the thumbs up. Let's hop into the video.
28 3/4.
All right. 28 3/4. See what the front is. Front's probably real similar. Well, I don't know with the freaking monster struts up there.
I had to get on the fucking platform here, so otherwise we won't be able to measure it because the platform's going to tell the truth. As long as I don't get my foot in there, we'll be okay. Pretty much the same thing, 28 and a half.
Yeah.
3/4, 28
Yeah.
3/4.
Yeah. 28 3/4.
In the front.
Got the passenger side off, driver side's off. Take all these off. 3 bolts. We'll drop this down.
Your strut down and out, set it to the side.
Got to get a full unboxing, man. Got some instructions. No one's gonna pay attention to those. Put those to the side.
Now you're supposed to say, read through the instructions fully, front to back, before starting the process.
Those are beautiful. Beautiful color.
Those are beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
These literally look like exactly like the ones that were on there.
Steeda spring, except for they're not broken.
Except for they're not broken. And we got a back one here. I'm just gonna pull the back one out so you guys can see the back one. There, we got a back one. So Steeda recommends you take off 1 inch from your bump stops. Take a look at the instructions over here. So picture 8, this guy right here.
I think I would just cut it right here at this rib.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking. So number 8, blah, 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 use coil spring compressor. Carefully release the stock spring. At this time, you should determine if you're going to trim your bump stops. Steeda recommends that you do this. When putting the assembly back together, the larger diameter of the spring should be upward. Each pigtail should be against the spring top. So basically, we're gonna trim these bump stocks down. I got the springs on there. 46 pound-feet, torque these down. Let's see what the front looks like here. No, it looks like about where it was. Maybe not.
It is 3/4 of an inch. Not exactly what Steeda has said, but you could sell down a little bit more. 5 ounces of more.
So we're taking the calipers off. Get those out of the way. We already took the exhaust off. If you guys haven't seen my video of me putting this on, go check it out. MBRP race catback. Real good exhaust. I don't have any cats though, so it's not really a catback, but the only thing I will say is it has this little choke point right here. It's pretty restricting. Thinking about getting getting rid of this too, because this is also another choke point, and just running a full 3-inch pipe from here back to the actual exhaust. Definitely in the works. And another thing, I think when we took these off, that either my wires got fried or the sensors got fried or something, because we had to heat these nuts up, or heat these sensors up to break them free from the old downpipe. So just thinking about getting some new O2 sensors, hoping that maybe solves my check engine light problem. Install the Steeda spring with the tighter coils to the top, making sure the pigtails of the spring are in correct locations. Where would you be without me, man? Oh God.
I knew how to read. I guess I wouldn't need you at all, would I?
No.
There's that one.
Well, first you went from having a hop in it. Had to jump in it.
Yeah, I thought I was getting somebody that had a truck. You want to order them up before we do the alignment, that'd be great.
Think I should do that?
Well, supposedly helps it out. It makes it fucking a lot harder to fucking put these bolts in, I can tell you that. I did it mine because I was getting such thrusting. I don't know if you'll get any thrusting being an
ECOBOOST. Eco.
Yeah, did this rear in less than an hour,
Dude, that didn't even take us an hour. That took us like 20 minutes. We started doing that at about, well, it was about 30 minutes. Yeah, and it's 10:21 right now. I think it was like 9:58 we started doing it. All right, guys, so we wrapped up the install here. Steeda progressive lowering springs. Dropped an inch up front, 1.25 inches in the back. Looks real good now. It doesn't look like a monster truck anymore. For him. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys all enjoyed. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. Hit the thumbs up if you're new to the channel and you like the video. And as always, peace out.